What's up guys, back from the video, and today I'll be showing you another Symmetry Jigsaw puzzle, except this one, I forget what it's called. But, yeah, I totally forgot what it was called. It's like London Eye Jigsaw? Pretty sure. Let's try and get, this goes up here. And then, we need something that on this side, and it's like, nope, that one's not good. Where is it? Oh, up here. Nope, this one goes there. I need to get all of these things off of there. Actually, remember in the last video there were some things under there, and it made me mess up. Except I didn't end up messing up. I ended up finishing it. And I want them to be like spread out so I can see them all. Oh yes, here. This one is boom. There we go. I can't find another one with the edge on this side. I swear. There should be a lot with the edge on the side. Oh, this one needs to go here. Oh, so that means this goes here. Which might be even harder. Okay. Oh, yes. So there's one more on that side. Now I can start moving it on again. This one's probably here. Here, yes. Which one? Yes. Yes. Yes, okay. So far, kinda good. Did I just put that? No, I bet it's like right here. Since there's always so many. No. Oh yes, this needs to go there. One more. I bet it's, yes, this one. Finish the top row. Boom. There needs to be one. Boom. Yes. When you start to get the hang of it. And boom. It's up here. Hopefully it's there. No, not there. No. Nowhere. Can't. Oh, here it is. Yes. This one. Here. Yes. Yes. No. Maybe here? No. Maybe, yes, here. This doesn't go here. Okay, here's the last piece. I cleared a bunch of things out. Now I know where that goes. I'm actually going really fast now that I figured I have a bunch of things out. No, this doesn't go here. This goes over here, right here. Boom. Yes, I'm finishing it. Can't pull this thing. there. Yes, 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 yes. And boom. 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 Yes! Okay, so that's the end of the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And today I was doing London Eye Jigsaw, so I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!